Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on accessibility on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know what accessibility is, so yeah, accessibility is a shortcut that make it easier for us to adjust the volume, to adjust the brightness, to adjust the screen, or we can be used for notification. And so yeah, to turn it on is very easy. So without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then now you can scroll down and then go to accessibility menu, and then after that now you can go to interaction and dexterity, and then now you can activate assistant menu. And so yeah, here's the accessibility or assistant menu. Okay guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.